If you are looking for a way to lose weight without starving or hurting, then you're watching the right video. Because in this video, you'll learn 5 research-backed ways to lose weight without actually starving yourself. Here they are. Number 1. Reduce your carbs. There are a lot of research that has proven that getting on a low-carb diet will help you lose weight fast. Eating too much carb-rich diet causes your blood sugar and insulin to rise, and get into your fat cells, turning into fat to make you fatter. But high-carb diets contains a lot of calories which our bodies need for energy throughout the day. So what should you do? This leads us right into the second point. Number 2. Load up more fat and protein. Contrary to what many people believe, when you reduce your carb intake and instead start loading up on fat and protein-rich foods, you will begin to lose weight rapidly. You may ask how. Research has proven that a low-carb, high-fat and protein diet can provide a number of health benefits. But biggest of all is that it effectively turns your body into a fat-burning machine, while it also simultaneously helps you boost your energy levels throughout the day. This type of dieting is called the ketogenic diet. And I'm sure you know or may have heard of it. But a lot of people fail at the keto diet because they don't know the right proportion of fat, protein and carbs they should be taking to lose their excess fat. So if you need help getting on the keto diet, I invite you to check the link in the video description to take a short quiz and have an expert prepare you a custom keto diet meal plan for the target weight you want to lose. Number 3. Eat to your satisfaction. This must sound counterintuitive to you, right? We are talking about losing weight, and here I am saying you should go out and eat more. Oh yes. You can actually be eating more but also be losing a lot of unwanted fat at the same time when you're committing to something like the custom keto diet meal plan. The keto meal plan will teach you how to make healthier versions of your favorite meals and snacks. This way, you'll be eating the foods that you really love and in as much quantity as you want. The more you eat, the more unhealthy fat you will lose. Number 4. Get more sleep time. Studies have shown there is a direct correlation between not getting enough sleep and obesity. A long sleep is not only a great recharge exercise, it also helps to keep you from aging too quickly or gaining too much weight. When you sleep more, you naturally have more energy, and so your body craves less food. On the other hand, sleep deprivation will leave you fatigued, susceptible to stress and more prone to unnecessary food cravings that is unhealthy for you. Sleeping for less than 7 hours a day will result in gaining a few pounds. So manage your schedule and make sure to get those full 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Number 5. Exercise to increase your heart rate. Exercise is helpful for weight loss and maintaining weight loss. It can increase metabolism, or how many calories you burn in a day. Sometimes to burn fat, you need to work out less but harder. Do a 20 to 30 minute burst of high-intensity workout to increase your heart rate in order to enter the fat-burning zone. The maximum heart rate to enter the fat-burning zone differs from person to person according to their ages. To determine yours, subtract your age from 220. For example, a 35-year-old woman's maximum heart rate is 220 minus 35, which is equal to 185. She'd want her heart rate to be 70% of 185, which is about 130 beats per minute to enter her fat-burning zone. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. For more weight loss, fitness, and nutrition tips, subscribe to the channel. And visit our website at www.sisterslosingweight.com. See you on the next one.